Hello everybody, it's Raffael Alpha here. Oh, it's DarkSpeakerEditz here. Look at it, he looks like Tota. 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 He looks like Tota. He looks like Tota from Brazilian. He's Brazilian. Tota from Brazil. Brazilian streamer. Tota. Brazilian streamer. Tota, right? Put this thing on here. Gotta be careful. Let's get out of here. I want you here to get out. Yeah, take a look. You gotta get out of here, right? You gotta get out of here. Okay, it's Raffael. No, this is DarkSpeakerEditz. So see ya. DarkSpeakerEditz here. I am DarkSpeakerEditz. DarkSpeakerEditz. It's me, DarkSpeakerEditz. So, see you around. So, not yet. We still have more to go right here. We still have more to go right here. Look, up to 7 feet. Up to 3 feet to 7 feet. Flotation device. Floating, huh? Floating, huh? Floating, huh? They see me floating. Got hating. It's all. Yeah. Tota! So we gotta get out of here. So anyway, oh shit! Look at this! Oh shit! Can't backflip. Oh shit! Come on. We gotta go get them, alright? We gotta get them, alright? Tota! Tota, right? Yeah. Okay, so anyway, let's see. Haven't seen it. Haven't seen anymore like that. Haven't seen anyone. Haven't seen anyone like that. Like there we go. Like there we go. What is one? Careful with the mic. Careful with the microphone, right? Oh, I can't see. Can't see. Right here. Can't see right here. Can everything about it. Can everything about this. Everything in here, right? What the fuck? Can't see. What the fuck? Shit. 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 We don't put this thing right here. This thing right here. Try and walk this! Try and walk!
Gago, ito na si Tota ng Papi. Saan nga natin nila kanina? Ayun o.
Eh, Tota! 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 Eh, Tota! 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 Oh, shit. Hey!
What are you doing that? The vlog?
Yeah.
Vlog?
Yeah. What the? Where did the slipper go? What a beautiful. Shot, try and walk this. Jump, gotta get it on. Try and walk this. Yo, Tota. Yo, Tota. Yo, Tota. 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 I haven't seen Tota before like this. You know what? Can't even think of her serious like. It's almost done. It's almost 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes on a video. Oh my gosh. 10 minutes on a video. Okay, I didn't verify my YouTube yet. I didn't verify my YouTube yet. You know what, guys? This is an oh my god! Like I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Kami. Ayan, hindi sa ba?
Bubuti na yun eh.
Yung kami.
Sino yun?
Kami. Kami licious. Ito, tara na. Ano na? Ikaw, actually, I get it again. A.K.A. licious. Oh, nope. No. Nope. Because I have anything else like what I like it about the video.
Kiss mo!
Di sama yan mo. Ay. So, this video got okay. DarkSpeakerEditz here. I hate legendary mid speaker, man. And sorry to me, Shiloh, so sorry to me. Shiloh, sorry to me right now. Sorry to me right now. Sorry to me right now, Shiloh. Sorry to me. Cause I hate legendary mid speaker. Just sorry me right now. Wait, Tota? I said sorry to me right now. You have to get a floor. Try and walk this. That's for the second time. This, you know what? This video is out. Anyway, this is DarkSpeakerEditz here. So Shiloh. Sorry to me now, Shiloh. Sorry to me now, Shiloh. Okay. I still have no idea why you still angry to me. I'm gonna beat your ass out of it if you don't sorry to me. If you don't sorry to me, I swear to God, I'm gonna beat your ass out of it. I swear to God, I'm gonna beat your ass out of it. If you don't sorry to me, right? If you don't sorry to me, right? I swear to God, I'm gonna beat your ass out of it, right? You understand me what I'm saying? Yeah, you understand me what I'm saying? Okay, if you know what, guys, this is DarkSpeakerEditz. Peace.